Wait, you're about to throw this away? Seriously? Hold on. Don't rush, because right now, you're about to throw away a perfectly good case. This one used to hold a tool that's long gone. It did its job, but the case stayed. And here's the interesting part. This case can actually be more useful now than it ever was before. There's just one problem. Open any case like this, and inside, it's chaos. Dividers, bumps, weird shapes. It's like it was designed for one specific tool and nothing else in the world. You try to put something in, it doesn't fit, it won't close, nothing works. And this is exactly the moment when most people think, yeah, this is trash. And they throw it away. But the solution is actually very simple. You take any tool you have, a knife, a rotary tool, even a grinder, and you start reshaping the inside, slowly, no rush. First, remove the biggest obstacles, the parts that clearly get in the way. Then, test fit your gear, see what still doesn't fit. Trim a little more, test again. At some point, it's going to feel like you're ruining it. Like, why did I even start this? That's normal, because right after that, it starts coming together. Little by little, you get clean, open space inside. No unnecessary plastic, no weird shapes, and now you can actually customize it. For your tools, for your setup, you want it for a drill? Done. For batteries and chargers? Easy, or just one universal case for everything. And the best part is, you decide how everything fits, not the manufacturer, not some designer. At some point, you close the case, look at it, and realize it's actually better than it was originally, and you didn't spend a single dollar. You just reused something you were about to throw away. So next time you see an old case, don't rush to toss it. Stop for a second, open it, and ask yourself one simple question. What can I fit in here?